The number 9, okay, in the Bible, the number 9, mystically, means the human mind. Okay? The number 9 means consciousness. It means the human mind. It comes because the word Adam has a value of 9, and it means it's the Sanskrit value of 9, which means the lower consciousness, the mind, the earth. Okay? Now, using that number 9, you then are able to get into the book of Revelation, and you can see, let's break some codes here. Here's one that you've seen in movies, and you've seen it all of your life. 666. The beast. 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 18. 1 plus 8 equals 9. There we know. We've identified the beast as the human mind. And in the very next sentence, after it says 666 is the beast, it says 144,000 are saved. Okay? 1 plus 4 plus 4 equals 9. Okay? So now when Jesus Christ, in this little sentence that you've just read, says, okay, cast your net to the right side and you'll find, let's see if we can determine without any doubt that he's not talking about fish, he's not talking about a boat. Let's see if we can come up with a conclusion that he's talking about consciousness. You will find within you something very special. Take a look here, John 21, right where you are. You don't have to move. But you're at verse 6. Go up to verse 11. Okay? And then maybe you want to shout it out. John 21, verse 11. Simon Peter went up, drew the net to land full of great fish. How many fish did he catch? 153. Let's add it up. 1 plus 5 plus 3, 9. And it'll work that way at any part of the Bible because the Bible is speaking in symbolic terms and using numerology. And what Jesus is saying, if you will cast your energy to the right hemisphere of the brain, you'll find what we call God. Okay? Otherwise, why count the fish? Was it really a really important thing to put into the Bible? And I mean, 153 fish. Not 152, not 150, 153 fish. And basically then, we come to the conclusion as we look at these types of things that there's more on the pages of the Bible. There's more on the pages of the Bhagavad Gita. There's more on the pages of the sutras or the Vedas than you can see with the human eyes. You have to look at this stuff with the single eye. Okay? This is the right side. This is the Garden of Eden. Remember something. Whenever you look north, east is always on the right side. That's why in the book of Genesis, when the Garden of Eden was, it said he made a garden eastward in Eden. That's right here. Looking north, east is on the right side. The right hemisphere of your brain is the Garden of Eden. Okay? How do you get there? This is 10% of your brain, 10% of your mind right over here. And the Bible admonishes you, you must tithe. You must tithe. And tithing